Hi, my brother and sister in Christ. Yeah, getting more interesting, about this election thing and Donald Trump. There are a lot of rumors. Okay, Donald Trump signed the Insurrection Act of 1807. It's a United States federal law that empowers the President of the United States to deploy U.S. military and federalized National Guard troops within United States. In particular, circumstances such as to suppress civil disorder, insurrection, and rebellions. Yeah, what was it all about this? Okay, this is about election fraud stuff or fraudulent election, and by the time they already, government already legalize Joe Biden is the president elect, and Trump trying to make things straight and doing this, you know, indeed he's the winner. He's the one, the president elect to serve the second term. Yeah. Well, many Trump supporters, even many Christian, Christian just too much idolize Trump and support him. He can save the country. Many of them also the one who believe we are living in end times, believe Trump can serve for more years and still can win it. Let me tell you, I post already in my other video, okay, about Trump. He will be in office according to the prophecy what I understand in the Bible, not just from many dreams and vision. I'm just following the other people's dream and vision. Trump will be in the office, and also Joe Biden. I do not see in the office as the POTUS, but I did a lot of other research too from other sources, okay, and that the one with rapture time frames, 1 Thessalonians 4, verse 16 to 17, at the trump of God, and 1 Corinthians 15, verse 52-53, at the last trump, according to Donald Trump's last name, and what I saw already in some dreams and visions. Well, about this, okay, in fact, let me show you first. This is the picture of Trump with the vaccine, okay? Because a lot of people trust him, but just ignore it with the other thing what Trump have done, okay? Already before, okay? Why people keep trusting Trump and idolize him as the savior? People need to repent. Do not rely on man, including to Trump. Even the Joe Biden, I'm not defending Joe Biden, okay? He's a crook too. So, from that I'm telling you, is that true? Okay, I would like to tell you first, about Trump. Let me see the information I got. I do not read all. Maybe I just said I'm telling you here briefly. I don't want to get trouble from YouTube. Just too many things. If I tell you to detail about that. Okay, from the White House sources and other insider, the truth about what happened in secret to Donald Trump after he declared martial law on March 13, 2020. See, it is the 13. 13 is the number of Satanist number 2, So let me find out if March 13, 2020 on Friday or not. Let me see. I did I'm doing that with my other computer. Friday, see? Wow. Friday the 13th hours. Talking about symbolize about Satanist day, the devil day. 13 also related with Illuminati other than their number 33. For their 33rd degrees of Masonry, Freemason. Yeah, that March 13 on Friday to 2020. Donald Trump already signed it in secret, yeah. Indeed declare martial law. Even though not sure anything then, until now, Trump was quietly deposed as a president, unannounced, publicly, publicly, and unelected committee of 6 people replaced him to secretly govern and lead this nation in the United States into the New World Order. New World Order plans for America. So this you remember that last March 2020, when that lockdown, the first lockdown, or for the testing from New World Order for this COVID pandemic, that March, this already started too. That secretly, but then already saw that lockdown too. That last March, I remember. I think more whole entire country starting in the mid of March or third week of March 2020. Okay, this have a connection with that date, yeah. So yeah, to lead the nation into the New World Order plans for America. So yeah, it says, yeah, Trump at that time become only a puppet on their hands, yeah, this global elite, and admitted that he felt sorry from Trump. Oh, he's talking about the person who know that, yeah, this person talking about Trump, because Trump, if do not fully cooperate with them, with this global elites cabal, he will bluntly be killed if he not cooperate. All right. So this Trump's being portrayed as a president was to give the patriots in America false hope, furthering then ongoing deception and disinformation of group like Q. Q is QAnon and trust in the plan. Okay, I will explain about QAnon. Is that a real thing? Trump supporter what they say and they tell about the news from them is true or not? The movement is correct or not? So what else? Trump privately feels sorry for the American people and terrible things he knows are coming under martial law and the future this New World Order madmen have planned for this nation. But there's nothing he can do, and he's not forced under the threat of death for non-cooperation. So Trump, under the threat, they will kill him to work along with the New World Order agenda. Well, I think what I see, like I told you already in my other videos, many dreams and visions mention that Trump get assassinated from this cabal, global elite, because he not cooperate, maybe, I think, finally. What will Trump do in the near future? Happen, they will assassinate him. But now he still cooperate. That's what I see. I don't think Joe Biden will be in the office. It's very clear. They already have the plan. They have the agreement between the New World Order cabal, Satanist Luciferians, okay, with Trump. They have the agreement already. Trump still have a lot of things to do for them. Because like I told you before, Trump have the problem with a lot of his businesses. Yeah, he filed bankruptcy, and this global elite who bailed him out from his bankruptcy. So he still owes their money. But ended up he's in the trap himself, with Satanist trap. What he's doing, should he become United States president, U.S. president? I don't think he is be out of the office. No at all. From I'm looking at this with their plan, he's not finished with all this thing. I don't think so. This is just to create chaos and anger from American themselves with the for the fraudulent vote or yeah, fraudulent vote, stuff like that. Okay. So what other thing? Yeah, I mean the planned new world order takeover of America through deliberately created virus pandemic beginning in 2020, extending into this year 2021. Okay. This someone who give journalist named David Goldberg, and when he exposed it, he's found dead under mysterious circumstances after he posted his amazing video in June 2019, even before the COVID scandemic. Okay, they're already preparing the guillotine and FEMA camps all over United States and Canada. Because this once under the new world order, the country, they're going to capture all the people who against new world order. Many Christians also get howling. Get what is it? They will bring many Christian also and the other people who against new world order to these places to get killed or jail in those places. We will accuse or they not obey. With all this in the COVID scandemic too. Related at first, they're accused they not obey to take COVID vaccine or the rules, stuff like that. Yeah, with under martial law and massive power outage or power grid. Yeah, they already planned in 2021. Will happen in 2021 under the cover of darkness. Yeah, not just arrest many innocent Americans. Be taken FEMA camp and terminated as New World Order resistors, who against New World Order. So Christians, patriots, gun owners, pro-lifers, homeschoolers, constitutionalists, and other good Americans to have secretly been profiled, to not be willing to accept a transition from a constitutional sovereign republic to a communist pattern, totalitarian and godless government new world order take over millions of these kinds of people. Had it been put on the communist new world order hit list for run-up and arrest under martial law, New World Order takeover of America, to be terminated in deadly FEMA camp located throughout North America and Canada. Prisoners, boxcars with shackles manufactured for the hours of New World Order takeover in America have been quietly pre-positioned across the nation to somebody hold their many millions who will be arrested under martial law and will hold them off the FEMA camps for their demise. Yeah, this person said he investigated and reported on prisoner boxcars with shackles for 25 years now and fully confirmed their existence and genocidal purposes. Okay, and what Donald Trump knows what's going to happen to Americans. He knows that. A lesson to never forget: never trust the lying and complicit mainstream news media propaganda. They constantly seek to deceive and program the masses with Okay, and furthermore, beware of clever government or intelligence, fake information sources like Q or QAnon, and many other, even fake, fake truther YouTube channels trying to further confuse and deceive American people who want to know what is the truth. Never forget the lies the mainstream media told American people about September 11, the Waco massacre, and Oklahoma City bombing, and much more besides. The television, okay, networks, news media outlets of today are largely communist-owned with a New World Order agenda for America in mind. The CIA is constantly complicit in giving their scripts to compliance news media sources, by the way. Yes, there really a hidden agenda. There obviously is a conspiracy that goes far beyond theory. This information is rampant from every side of this time across this nation. The enemy always operates under the tactics of lies and deception. And the fathers of all lies and deception, as the Bible clearly reveals, is Lucifer, Satan. In truth, the actual ringleader and spiritual driving force behind the New World Order. Okay, people should seek God. There are many also pastors being paid for $30,000 to deceitful tell their own congregation that it's okay to take the vaccine. I told you already in the other video, I mentioned about some pastor and preacher and who claim they are he is a Bible scholars, like what's his name, Amir Sarfati, and the other the end time preacher, I think Zapata, Elvi Zapata, they too. If you want to watch my other video, and this is mentioned about Franklin Graham. The son of the very famous preacher, he already passed away. Bill Graham, yeah, who encouraging a Christian to take the vaccine. It's okay, and the others, this is not right, for lying to God people. And so, okay, and the thing is, I'm telling you, okay, about this. Other than Trump is already signed that on March 13, 2020 about martial law and what will happen to America and in the future about New World Order planning and what will happen with American people. He also already signed it, Executive Order 11921. He completed what presidents starting with Reagan began to create was FEMA by signing Executive Order 11921. He meaning Trump handed all power over to FEMA under the disguise of a fake epidemic instead of emergency, which opened a door that always them to do to do away with Constitution once martial law is implemented. It completely empowers FEMA under the control of the United Nations. FEMA under the control of United Nations. Trump is no longer president, and United Nations has complete control of FEMA. All right, it's very clear. And the Simpsons cartoon, this predictive programming already mentioned what will happen on January 20th this year, right on the presidential inauguration day. The bomb explosion, and also it mentioned about FEMA in that robotic looking creature robot with FEMA letter on that in that on that Simpson predictive programming. Okay, so what I'm saying, okay, it is have related each other. What I mentioned already about Insurrection Act of 1807 that Trump signed it, but we hear today, yeah, what he signed maybe yesterday, I don't know, or maybe 2 days ago. He signed it. He want to make things straight about this election fraudulent thing. What I think, yeah, and already has related with that what he signed it with that martial law on March 13, 2020, just right before COVID lockdown, the lockdown for the COVID pandemic, started last year in spring, March 2020. And then what I mentioned is about COVID 1984, what he signed it, Trump already signed it, Executive Order 11921. This is have a connection altogether. Do you understand? And okay, I would like to mention about this one. Is that true? Martial law is coming near this month in January. Some people said January 18, something happened or significant 2 days before Inauguration Day, January 20th. More likely it's true or above 90%. But that's what I think, yeah. Okay, why? Because in some predictive programming from the New World Order Global Elite already talk about that. Okay, like I mentioned earlier about Simpsons cartoon and my other videos. And also bomb explosion everywhere in the US. That's what they're saying is that predictive programming from the show, TV show, cartoon, the song, stuff like that, yeah. And FEMA already in the power, like I mentioned earlier. And Joe Biden too, already told the code, dark winter several times. Not just about during his debate with Trump. He already said that for in other times too. And also he mentioned, yeah, this dark winter is about what? They already given him too, this global elite, about EMB attack and cyber attack. Because Pakistan, what I heard, they get power grid off, yeah, all in the darkness. That's what I heard recently. I don't know already back to normal or not. I do not do the research yet. In Pakistan, what I heard. Could be this just something kind of like a testing from this global elite to make that happen? That's what I suspect. The reason I'm putting this picture, yeah, but QAnon group, okay, for Trump supporters. Oh, before I told you about that, do not think Trump is not on it too, yeah, not involved with this new world order global elite. I explained earlier, Trump is on it too. And in fact, he feels sorry to American people what will happen in the near future, and his life in danger too. If he not cooperate with this cabal global elites, they will assassinate him. The thing is, it will happen no matter what, because many dreams and vision mention about that. Okay, they try to impeach Trump even just several days before. If that's true, Joe Biden is the one who will be in the office. Why make things a problem, or they want to impeach Trump, or they just put in all over the news to create more chaos? I told you already. This presidential election, okay, I have the plan already. I mean, in the Rockefeller document already is written there. Not just about this, their plan about the COVID scamdemic, or the pandemic is hoax to create a great global reset to start for under new world order, government, is also in that document, they want to cancel the presidential election. Yeah, started in 2020 and continue on in 2021 this year. They have the plan already in that document. It's very clear. This is they want to create the chaos and anger and confusion. Other than they will use, they're using a paid protester, or what already happened that last January 6th. Okay, for the final election before the inauguration day, January 20th. So they're pretending to impeach Trump. Well, what in the world? Trump, if Trump will be out of the office by January 20th, why they have to make problem with the impeachment? This already several times. This just their game, pretending to do that. Talking about QAnon group for the Trump supporters, okay, since last spring, I just said last spring, in fact, this group, Q groups, will be longer than last year. I don't know when it started. That's last spring when then the COVID scandemic started. They said Trump, the reason to make a lockdown for the country because they want Trump have the plan to catch the cabals, yeah, the corrupted politicians, yeah, including Hillary Clinton, and the others, yeah, who involved with the crimes, yeah, the politicians, cabals, and also the child trafficker, yeah, the people who involved with child trafficking, and he promised to save the children who got in the jail, rape, get what is this? Stay there under the ground. There are a lot of children under the ground. He will save these children. Just too many rumors from the at first I believed it, but after I did the research, nothing happened. Even it never happened. He arrest this cabal and corrupted politician. Never happened. He exposed the child trafficking. Why? As president, why afraid to tell the truth all over the news? Never expose the evil celebrities who involved with child trafficking. Why? It's a lie. Okay, never happened even until now. With the accused that he want to have the plan to do that, so that's why he locked down the country for this COVID scamdemic. It's a lie. Never happened that. Okay, the reality, this Q or QAnon group is indeed created by cabal, CIA, to cover up the lies about COVID scamdemic, especially for the last time. Trump is, in fact, Trump is on New World Order side. Trump is pushing the vaccine. What the heck, Trump supporter never wake up? Trump is working for the cabal's global elites. Okay? Proof, he never built the wall. He never arrest Hillary Clinton and lock her up in the jail, like his promises. Never expose COVID pandemic is a hoax. To bring in to bring in a great global reset. The New World Order. Okay? And yeah, Trump never telling the truth about this hoax. He is on it too. If he's just a flip-flop, never want to take the vaccine really for himself. So far, he never show he take the vaccine other than Joe Biden, Kamala Harris. Who else? Dr. Fauci. And the next, the Obama, Bill Clinton, Bush, and the other politician in overseas too. They want to show other politician in offices overseas like Benjamin Netanyahu already show off he took the COVID vaccine. Really, that only empty syringe. I don't believe that real. So yeah, Trump is on it too. Nothing else. Donald Trump, commemorative coin signed by Trump himself from the New World Order. That coin, in fact, is the New World Order symbol. You know, let me show you here, so you can see the symbol sign. Blade is about conflict. Chain to the heart. The heart is hell. It's hell a people symbol. Strain for the vaccine though. That COVID vaccine. Ones and zero. Ones and zero picture like that on the sword or machete. Computer coded. Tracking, implant, and tattoo. Okay. This for the future for people who are already under the New World Order with that COVID vaccine. Satellite. Tracking applications. Space shuttle. Reaching to the stars. Dove peace. This is false peace nih. The Bible very clear says, when they say peace, peace, I think in 1 Thessalonians 5, I'm pretty sure there in the Bible. And then sudden destruction is will come. When they say peace, peace, the sudden destruction come. Planet Saturn. Okay, planet Saturn. Planet Saturn is Saturn. That not too long ago, the conjunction between planet Saturn and Jupiter, right on December 21st. Something up about this whole thing. Donald Trump, who the one who signed this coin, he's talking about what? This coin for Abraham Accord, peace treaty with Israel and I don't know. I think with what country I forgot. A few countries in the Middle East. But this coin is talking about the New World Order stuff, with COVID vaccine stuff and this COVID vaccine stuff and with nanotechnology and created the computer coded tracking implants with the tattoo. I explained already in my other video about more detail about that. This have connection with that. Trump is not in our side, okay? He is a liar too. I think he will be in the office, I'm pretty sure, by January, because his business with the New World Order is not done yet. This all, they already set him up like this. It's not Biden. I do not think it's Biden in the office. But this January, January 18 to 20th, we have to watch out. Because something happened, riots, and more explosion could be in the country. People need to prepare in case we cannot go to the store or something like that, store closed because of that. So we need to stock up the food and water and medicine you need, okay? And talking about that, on November 18, 2020, Army General Josh Perna for Trump's Project Warp Speed. With this one, a vaccine is approved upon the Emergency Use Authorization Act. Okay, that mentioned about to speed up so all American receive it within 24 hours. So far, some American already received that vaccine, but not all yet. This vaccine, according to the report, inject synthetic mRNA. mRNA is modified RNA that could alter our DNA with nanobot technology in as well. Okay, and I already mentioned about the ingredient about this vaccine. People have to be careful with all that stuff because Trump involved also for the operation Trump's Project Warp Speed. Trump's encouraging people to take the vaccine. So if it's true on our side, on American side, true is a patriot, he should expose this pandemic is a hoax, okay? And not encourage people to take the vaccine. He's a liar too. This is another proof. Alright? People can get excited when the time he's still in the office after the January 20th. Really? Not because I'm defending Joe Biden. They're all crap. New World Order puppets. I don't trust government at all. I don't trust, it doesn't matter Republican or Democrats. Okay, and yeah, this the rest, the same thing. People need to wake up, get ready to get right with God before it's too late. Do not make Trump become an idol. So many evangelical Christians make him idol. Even the people who claim they are end-time watcher and rapture watchers, but idolize Trump. Trust Trump too much, then more trust Trump than God himself. And believe Trump can serve 4 years, really? I don't think Trump, even though Trump stay in the office, just saying, after this riot and bomb explosion. Just saying, if it real happen by this month. And I don't think he will serve 4 years. The most 1 year could be 1 or 2 years. I don't think so. By then, more likely he get assassinated. Maybe he not cooperate anymore with this global elites cabal. People need to wake up, okay? They're all his Trump on it too. This all the deception from the devil. Luciferian's New World Order. If you do not want to face this New World Order government, get right with God and be prepared for the rapture at all time. Jesus coming.